I think coming 2 to 3 years, one of the critical thing which I see is obviously industry 4.0, which has been already part of many manufacturing thing, wherein various new automation will come in picture. But apart from that, I think latest technology which is currently most talked is about AI, conversational AI, wherein just a click of button or just an query and data will flow in. I think in next 2 years, this AI will be almost talk of the town, and that is what the we will do most of the integration in terms of our core businesses, and then the data will flow internally for business insights, business decisions, and obviously external customers. We will have some of the best, you can say, omni channel products, or you can say omni channel gateway, wherein they will able to easily navigate all the products or punching in orders. That would be, I think, 4 to 3 future roadmap for us and the technology.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.